Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Relations and Functions exercise 1.1 question number 10. Let's see the question. Give an example of a relation which is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. So we are going to write our own example. It can be of any elements, any relation that satisfies symmetric but neither a reflexive and transitive. That is that it is not a reflexive or transitive. It should be a symmetric. So let me take, before writing A, let me write the relation. It should be symmetric, means 1, 2, 2, 1. So we know that for symmetric it is A, B and B, A should be an element of R. So the number will be 1 and 2. Your set will be, set A is 1 and 2. The relation is 1, 2, 2, 1. Now we know that it is symmetric. Symmetric means, for symmetric we know that condition is A, B belongs to R, means this implies B, A also belongs to R. Here for reflexive it should have its own image. It's not there. It should have its own relation. It is not here. Now for transitive, it should satisfy A, B belongs to R, B, C belongs to R, means this implies A, C belongs to R, which is not here. That is, it should have 1, 1. But it is not there. So we have given an example for the first subdivision. Let us move on to the second one. The second question is transitive but neither reflexive nor symmetric. So we are going to show transitive now. So for transitive we know that, before writing set A, let me write the relation first. For transitive it should have 1, let me take the same number, 1, 2. So 2, 3 means it should have 1, 3. This should repeat here. A, B, B, C means 1, C. Now let us check for reflexive. There is no number. It doesn't have a same number here, so it is not reflexive. For symmetric we know that it should be in the ulta type. That is 1, 2 means it should have 2, 1. It's not here. 2, 3 means 3, 2 is not here. 1, 3, 3, 1 is also not there. So it is transitive but not reflexive or not symmetric. So let me write the A as 1, 2, 3. So for reflexive we don't have A, does not belongs to R here. For symmetric A, B belongs to R, but this implies B, A does not belongs to R. For transitive A, B belongs to R, B, C belongs to R, but even A, C belongs to R. So this is transitive but neither a reflexive nor a symmetric. We'll move on to our third subdivision. Third one, it's asked for reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. So it should have a reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Let me take set A. For reflexive it should have a same number. For symmetric it will be having two numbers. So we need to have a reflexive for all the elements in set A. The reflexive part, while writing, remember that it should satisfy all the elements of set A. If I write 5 elements of set A, then all the 5 elements should have a relation. So remember that only for the reflexive everything should have its own image as the relation. Now 3, 3. So let me take 1, 2, 3. For R I am going to take 1, 1, 2, 2. The set is 1, 2, 3. In that R is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Remember that for reflexive it should satisfy all the elements of set A. The reflexive it should satisfy the all the elements of set A, that is it should have its own relation. So 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. So 1 comma 2, if I take 2 comma 3, then it should have symmetric means 3 comma 2. If I take 1 comma 3, then it should have its symmetry as 3 comma 1 or 3 comma 1. Now for transitive, I am going to take these two items, that is 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. Here we don't have 1 comma 2 here, so it is not a transitive. So here the reflexive satisfies, the symmetric satisfies, but not transitive. Let me write and show you. Now for reflexive we have A comma A belongs to R. For symmetric, A comma A belongs to R. We have 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 belongs to R. For symmetric, we have 2 comma 3 belongs to R. This implies 3 comma 2 also belongs to R. The same way, another example, we have 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Same way, 3 comma 1 also belongs to R. So it is satisfies the symmetric. Now for transitive, I am going to take 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 belongs to R. These two elements we have in R, but we don't have what? 1 comma 2 belongs to R. A comma C belongs to R is not here, so it is not transitive for the given condition. So we'll move on to our fourth subdivision. For fourth subdivision, reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. Here we are going to show reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Let me take the A as 1, 2, 3 itself. For relation, as it is reflexive 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 should be there. It is transitive but not symmetric means I am going to take any two, that is 1 comma 3. If I take 3 comma 2, then it should have 1 comma 2. Here we don't have a symmetric, we don't have a repetition. Now for reflexive, we have 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 belongs to R. For symmetric, we don't have A comma B belongs to R, we have, but we don't have B comma A belongs to R. For transitive, we have 1 comma 3 belongs to R, 3 comma 2 belongs to R. We also have 1 comma 2 belongs to R. A comma C belongs to R. So it is a transitive but not symmetric. We'll move on to our fifth subdivision. The question is symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. So it doesn't have a reflexive. Let me take 1, 2, 3. For reflexive, as I told below, before that, it should have all the three elements should have its own relation. Here, one comma 1, it should be symmetric and transitive. So symmetric is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Transitive, it's having 1 comma 1. So even this is enough. 1 and 2 is enough for the set. Here for symmetric, it should have 1 comma 1. Let me write for reflexive first. For reflexive, it doesn't have 2 comma 2, it does not belongs to R, because there are two elements. It should have the relation, should have both the elements as a same image, but here we don't have 2 comma 2 does not belongs to R, so it is not a reflexive. For symmetric, it has 1 comma 2 belongs to R and also it implies 2 comma 1 belongs to R. So it is symmetric. For transitive, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 1 belongs to R means then 1 comma 1 belongs to R. So it is transitive. So we have proved all the 5 subdivisions. That's all with the sum. Thank you.